Hi everyone, in this video I will show you upgrade to Windows 11 on any PC. So the first thing you should do is you have to make sure that you have meet the requirements to upgrade your Windows to Windows 11. So you have to go to PC, health check, open this one right here. And then what you're going to do is you have to simply look and see if your PC or device is ready to upgrade to Windows 11. So tap this one check, meet the Windows 11 system requirements. If it does, then what you're going to do is you just have to go to your Windows Update. So you can go to the Start menu and then search for Windows Update. And all you have to do is to simply update your or upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So again, you just have to go to Start menu and then look for Windows Update, and then open. There you will see the notification. If you want to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11, then all you have to do is simply click this download and install. As you can see, some settings are managed by our organization. Windows 11 version is ready and it's free, and all you have to do is to click download and install. Now, if you can't see it right here, don't worry. You can also go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then you have to type download Windows 11, and all you have to do is to follow some instructions there, and you can now get your Windows 11. So tap this one, and then all you have to do is to download the following here. So of course it's said that please refer to PC health check if you have meet the requirements, and then proceed. So all you have to do is to download and then follow the instruction in order for you to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and please do comment there whatever you want us to do. If you want us to create a new tutorials, please do just comment and suggest. Thank you so much, and see you again in our next video tutorials.